cell and cell organelles. Cell is a structural and functional unit of living organisms. Cells are different size, structure based on their functions, and they form every organ in the body. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a material bounded by a plasma membrane. Many cell organelles and nucleus are present in cytoplasm. Cellular chemical reaction take place in cytoplasm. Various substances like amino acids, glucose, vitamins, etc. are present in cytoplasm. Animal cell cytoplasm more granular and dense, and plant cell cytoplasm is thin periphery with a larger central vacuole. Cell organelles. Those organs present in cell we call the cell organelles. Cell organelles have their specific function except nucleus and chloroplast. And covered by a double layer is a porous membrane is called nucleus. One rounded nucleolus present in center. Okay. The network of chromatin fibers present in nucleus. Main function of nucleus is control of all metabolic activities of the cells and cell division. Transmission of heredity from parents to offsprings. It's a main and important function of nucleus. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum, ER, a net-like structure having interconnected miniature tubes and sheets filled with fluid. It conducts various substances inside the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum is connected to the nucleus from inner side to the plasma membrane from outer side. A rough ER has ribosomes granules on its outer surface, and smooth ER are without ribosomes. Main function of ribosomes: framework to the supporting cells and conduction of the proteins. The Golgi complex. 5 to 8 cristae, which are hollow and flat sac placed parallel to each other. Cristae have a different enzymes. The proteins coming from endoplasmic reticulum are enclosed in vesicles. The vesicles comes to Golgi complex via cytoplasm. Golgi complex also called a secretory of cell. Golgi complex, a secretory organ of cell, and modifies, sorts, packed, and dispatch the materials synthesized in the cells. It helps to the formation of cell wall, plasma membrane, and lysosomes. Okay. Lysosomes. A single membrane bound is a lysosome. It digesting the organic waste product through metabolic activities in the cell. Any bacteria attack the cell, lysosome kill the bacteria. That's why our immunity system goes strong. Lysosome digest a stored proteins fat at during the starvation. Mitochondria. Each cell requires energy, and this energy is produced in the mitochondria. Mitochondria structure, there have the two outer and inner membrane. Outer membrane is a porous and inner membrane is a deeply folded. These folds are called cristae. Inner cavity is filled with a proteogenous gels like a matrix connecting ribosomes, phosphate, and DNA. Therefore, it can produce its own proteins. With the help of enzymes, mitochondria oxidize carbohydrates and fats in the cell. The energy released in this process is stored in a mitochondria in the form of ATP. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Plant cells have the less mitochondria than animal cell. Main function of mitochondria: it produces energy rich compound ATP. Okay. Vacuoles. It is a bag-like or a sack-like structure. This bag is a strong bag. No typical shape or size of this bag, and structure changes according to the need of the cell. A bounded a single membrane. Function maintain the osmotic pressure of the cell. A strong metabolic by the products and end products such as the glycogen, proteins, water, etc. In the animal, a storage of waste product and food in the digestion process in these vacuoles. Plant cell vacuoles full of cell saps and provide the rigidity to them. Plastids or chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are important for the photosynthesis process that take place in the leaves. Chlorophyll in chloroplast traps a solar energy and convert it into a chemical energy. A stroma in the chloroplast contains enzyme, DNA, ribosomes, and carbohydrates that